Good morning, everybody. Subby here at Baumgart's Weather Center. Man, what a wild and wacky weekend of weather we had. We're actually seeing the remnants of that big, strong low as it finally begins to move off into the Atlantic. So we had severe weather in and around our area on Friday, a tornado outbreak in eastern Missouri that unfortunately had several fatalities. We had another tornado outbreak in Dixie Valley down in the southeast, and then Saturday night we ended up having a low pressure system develop right over Kansas City, totally by surprise on the southwest and southeast side of that little disturbance, that little low pressure system over Kansas City created enough lift and wrapped up enough cold air, and we've got that what looked like a blizzard outside starting around 9 o'clock Saturday night. Even took the old weather guy by surprise. I looked outside a sliding patio door at a friend's house, and it was unbelievable. So we ended up officially with about an inch and a half in Henry County, and I took that measurement about 2:15 in the morning. And there were some reports over in Bates County up to 3 inches of snowfall. So man, what a weekend that we have, and we're shaping up to see another similar storm system coming in for Tuesday and Wednesday. And let me show you what we're looking at here. This is the 500 millibar chart, something, of course, you guys know me. I look at this every morning. This is a snapshot of what's going on at 18,000 feet above our heads. Shows me where those storm systems are poised to go, tells me how strong these storm systems are going to be. And as I put this into motion, as we go into Tuesday night and Wednesday, notice we have another negatively tilted trough that is actually the center axis of this. If you draw a line, is actually going from from northwest to southeast. That's negatively tilted. That means there's a lot of lift down here in this southeast quadrant of that low pressure system. Very, very strong winds aloft. So we're talking, well over 100-mile-an-hour winds. That's going to be happening here at 18,000 feet above our heads. Now, what does that mean for us? Well, Tuesday night, we're going to be watching for the potential of seeing, of course, some thunderstorms. Some may be severe. Right now, it's looking like maybe this area right up here by the triple point. So this would be about KC Metro points to the northwest. Might have the best chance to see some severe weather right now. But of course, we're still 48, 72 hours out. So things are going to change a little bit. I'm keeping a close eye on that. And then as this system moves off to the east, we could get some wraparound snow effect for Wednesday. So here we are. We've had 80 degrees all last week. We're going to get up to almost 75 today and tomorrow. And yet another chance for snowfall. I had a lot of people ask over the last couple of weeks, hey, are we done with winter? And well, we're not done with winter yet. So we had this chance of seeing some colder air based on the LRC coming in this week, and also the last week of the month. We do also have another chance to see maybe some snowfall, some colder temperatures funneling into the middle part of the country. So watching that very closely. But if we can get through the end of this month, here in about another 2 weeks, I think that we should really start to see that transition into spring. And as far as the LRC and from what I'm seeing, it's going to be really hard for any cold air to break down this far south here into the Midwest. So Definitely something keeping a very, very close eye on here over the next couple, 3 weeks. So let's just want to show you guys what we were looking at. So, that was this. Here comes this low pressure system. This is what we just saw, 18,000 feet above our heads. Now we're going to look down toward the ground level now. And as you can see, these isobars, those are lines of equal pressure. When they get closer together, means the windier that it will be down here on the surface. And we really have a windy first part of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're going to see wind 30, 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour by Wednesday. So, another very windy start of the week. And also, we are under a red flag warning, meaning no outside burning for today. We will likely also see that carry over to Tuesday as well. But here comes that storm system, and it's going to bring with it that chance of seeing some thunderstorms and rain showers all the way down through west central Missouri, and then as it pulls off to the east, you notice those blue colors starting to funnel down into Kansas City metro into west central Missouri. So we're gonna have to watch this very closely. If this should happen to track just a little bit further south, there's a potential we could get some measurable snow out of this on Wednesday. So, looks like the TSP is going up for possibly on Thursday. So, definitely watching this storm system very carefully. Hopefully, all of your friends and your family remain safe over the course of Friday and Saturday. Just horrible reports coming out of eastern Missouri, Arkansas, down into Dixie Alley in the southeast. So hopefully your friends and family remain safe through this. So that's all I've got for today. We're going to have a great day today, plenty of sunshine, a great day tomorrow as well in the 70s. And then we'll start to see that big change beginning Tuesday night into Wednesday. So make sure you guys follow all of our social media updates, and we're everywhere. We're on Instagram, Blue Sky, X, Facebook, YouTube. You have no excuse not to be able to follow our updates and our forecasts. We are everywhere. You can always catch us on the My KDKD Plus Smart TV app, as well as the Radford Media Group app for your Android and Apple. So that's it for today, guys. Have a fantastic start of the week. We'll be talking to you soon.